In this video, I'll show you how to make a copy with your HP LaserJet M140W. I'll also show you how to change a few settings. So open the scan lid right here. Take the paper you'd like to make a copy of. Place it facing down with the top part of your page towards the left side. Now we need to align this corner of the printer, the top left corner, with the top left corner of the page. So simply bring them together until both are touching. Close the lid and then we need to go on the control panel. So here we can change a few settings before printing. You can select the number of copies by selecting the the arrow up or arrow down. I just want one copy, so I'll leave it at 01. Then you have the three dots button. If you press on it, you see this icon in the middle. This is for the contrast. With the arrow up or down, you can put more contrast on your copy, or with the minus, you can lower the contrast. If you press again on the three dots, you'll be able to magnify. So right now it's 1, which means that what you see is what you'll get. But if you press the up arrow, you can magnify, so you can zoom in, or you can go the other way. Okay, 0.4 let's say, and you're gonna zoom out on your copy. Not many people are using these features, but they're there. Now you also have another options. In case you have input an ID and you want to make a copy of an ID, both sides, you have the ID button here. So this one, what you need to do, okay, put your ID, press this button, it will scan, but the copy won't come out. Take your ID, flip it the other side, put it in another position. So let's say if your ID was here, flip it and put it down below. Press again on this button and you'll have a copy with both sides of your ID. But here it's just a normal copy, so the next step is to press this green copy button. So let me do it. And here we go. We got our copy of the document we have input on the scanner. Now, what if you want to get the results of whatever got scanned here on your smartphone instead of getting a copy out, the way it just came out? Well, let me show you how this is done on an iPhone, but it works the same exact way if you have an Android smartphone. The first step is to go on the control panel of the printer right over here. Make sure the printer is turned on and look at the Wi-Fi button over here. If it's blinking blue the way it is, it's perfect. It means that the printer is in pairing mode. If your Wi-Fi button is not blinking blue, what you have to do, well, turn on your printer, and then I want you to press the Wi-Fi button and the X button both at the same time for around 5 seconds until the power button starts blinking. Then lift your finger. Wait around 1 to 2 minutes, the printer will restart, it will do its thing, and at the end, your Wi-Fi button should blink blue, which means again that it's in pairing mode. Now let's go on the iPhone. You're gonna go on the App Store and download the HP Smart app. This is the official app that will help us connect the printer to the iPhone. You absolutely need to get it. So go ahead, download it and open it. Once you open the app, depending if you already used it in the past or not, you may have this screen or another screen. If you have another screen, don't worry, it's the same thing, okay? But if you get this main menu page, click on the top right corner where you see a printer with a plus sign. If you didn't have the main menu page showing up, you probably get this page instead, and all you have to do is to click on New Printer. Over here, you're gonna have your printer name appearing on the top. Click on it. Now it's time to type the Wi-Fi password, the one of your home. Actually, it's the one that your iPhone is currently connected to. Then press continue. Now they'll ask us to press the Wi-Fi button on the printer. So the one that is blinking, I just want you to press it once and the setup will continue on your phone. If you get this message, don't worry, press try again. At the end, you're gonna get this screen. Just press continue, go down. And here you can accept all or decline optional data, depending what you want, honestly. So I'll press decline optional data because I don't want to share my personal information with HP, all of it, at least the one that I'm not obligated to. Select your language and your country or region. Press continue and continue. Next, they will ask you if you want your printer to auto-update itself. So every time there's a new update available, it will install it automatically. Or do you prefer doing this manually and simply getting notified every time there is one? I'll click auto-update. I think it's the best option. I don't have to think about it. And then press save. Now they'll ask you to print a test page. You're not obligated to do this. And since I'll show you in just a few seconds how to print, I don't think it's worth wasting ink on this. I'll select skip printing page. Skip sending link. Yes. And here we go. We are on the main page of the HP Smart App. Select printer scan. And we have a few different options. I don't know if you see here, we have batch, photo, document, text extract, multi-items, and many things. Most people will simply leave it to document and it will be 100% fine. Now, if you go on the top here, click on this, we'll have a few options, and one of them is quite important in my opinion. So you have page size. You can select which page size you have input, or you can leave it to entire scan area. You're gonna have a lot of white space in case it's a small document and you have selected entire scan area. And then we have quality. By default is 200 dpi, which is enough if you have a text file with some small graphics. If you click here, I suggest you select 300 dpi in case you want to scan a picture or artwork. It will give you more details. Then you have color, if you prefer color or black and white, and this is about it. Press done and press the scan button once you're ready. It usually takes around 12 seconds to get the results on your iPhone. So let's just wait a bit. Perfect. As you see here, the results is starting to appear. It's a bit blurred, and now it's not blurred anymore. You see, they will put some dots and some lines in case you want to crop. So my document was quite small. I have selected entire document area, so I have a lot of white space. I can simply put these borders exactly there, so it will crop, so only my page will be saved and not the whole thing. Once you've done this, if you don't want to do that, you simply press full and the full thing will be saved. Press next. Now, if you have a document with multiple pages, let's say you want to scan 6 pages and combine them in one single PDF file, go ahead, input your next page and press the add button. You'll be able to add many pages to the same document, as I said. From here, you can rotate in case you put it upside down. You can extract text, and you also have scribble in case you want to put some annotation, so you can draw some things, circle things on the scan itself. When you want to save it, the options are down below. You have print preview, which means that it will simply print whatever is over here. You have share and save. Once you click this, you'll be able to rename this document, so you can give it a custom name. And over here you have file type. So if it's a text document, obviously just leave it to PDF, but you also have the choice to save it in different other formats. And finally, file size, don't touch this. Once you're ready, press continue, and you're going to have the option to share it on with your contacts, on social media, on your favorite apps. And finally, if we go down this menu, you have save to files, which means that it will get saved on your iPhone for future usage. If you're not happy with the result, you can simply press this blue button here and select delete, and this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe to support my channel, but check out my Amazon links as well. I'll put links towards paper, ink cartridges, new printers. Every time you go through them, you support my channel since I get a very small commission from Amazon for referring you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.